3 packages, one from Big Bad. We got 2 from eBay, even though it's in an Amazon box. But we got eBay and Big Bad, so let's open Big Bad first. I want to just drawing the figures in, so we're gonna have to do it carefully. Alright, so first we got the Riddler, looking amazing, very creepy. So Riddler's looking pretty awesome. We're gonna keep that up there right now. I think wrestling figure, yeah. We got Christopher Jericho. Look at him right there. Let's open this up. There we go, Chris Jericho. And let's check out the last box we got. I think this is a Miz, I'm not sure. Let's see. I've always wanted a Chris Jericho and Miz figure in the collection. Now I have 2 Chris Jerichos and 1 Miz. Seems to be the Miz, so that's great. Packed very well. It's actually pretty badly packed. Leaks. Anyways, you got a dented box of Miz. This is the SummerSlam figure, so pretty interesting. My first Miz figure, so I'm kind of excited. So anyways guys, we got the Miz, we got the Riddler, we got Chris Jericho in today's collection. See you guys soon. Thank you guys for watching. Bye. Hey guys, in today's video I got 6 packages from Big Bad Toys, so let's open them up. Starting with box number 1. Alright, so first we have Superman, Lewis and Clark, the Solar suit of Superman. Pretty cool, pretty interesting. Can't really get this one open. I'm gonna put that right there. Box number 2. Out here we have Batman Dark Detective. Pretty awesome figure. I've been waiting for this figure for quite a while to actually pair it up with my Batman feature set, so these two are gonna go very well together. Very excited. Let's move on to box number 3. These right there. So I do know one of them is Grodd and I think a Flash figure. This seems to be, yep, this is Batman Rebirth. I've been waiting for this figure for quite a while now, and this is going to be part of my sealed mint box DC Rebirth collection. So I'm very happy to have this, and now I have 2 Batman Rebirths, one from Mcfarlane and the other one by DC Direct. Let's move on to the next box. Now we are on to our final 3. Finally, I've got the animated Flash from Superman the Animated Series. I only did get this one because I am on the let's say I'm on the journey to collect all the Flash figure Mcfarlane makes. So I need this for the collection, you know. Gotta do what you gotta do. So we have the Flash. Let's move on to the next box. Final two. Let's see what we got here. Interesting. Yep. This is the Atomic edition of Blights. I wasn't actually too keen on getting this figure, but it looks very awesome in hand. Looks very cool. So very excited to have this as well now. This will look good in my Batman villain collection. And now on to the final box, the one figure I've been waiting for to add on to my Legion of Doom. Like I said before, this should be Gorilla Grodd, and I stand correct. This is Gorilla Grodd from the Injustice video game. Finally, another figure to add to my Legion of Doom. So for my Legion of Doom currently, I have Gorilla Grodd. Then I do have, sorry for that. I have Lex Luthor, Gorilla Grodd, Reverse Flash, the Joker, Riddler from the Batman movie, Scarecrow. And now I'm waiting for the Mega Figure Bane to come out. Though I do have the Build Figure Bane, but I need the Mega Figure Bane as well in order to complete a couple of my Legion of Doom villains. And then I'll be waiting for Sinestro and the other figures that are in the Legion of Doom. So I'm very, very happy to finally have a Gorilla Grodd as part of the collection. Looks so cool. So, to conclude, we did get Gorilla Grodd, we got Batman Dark Detective, Superman, Blights, the Flash from the animated Superman series, and Batman DC Rebirth collection. Closer look at the figures I got. And of course, Gorilla Grodd to add to the collection. So now, for my DC Rebirth collection, I am waiting on my Martian Manhunter, and I will be keeping this Aquaman that comes from the Endless Winterway sealed, and I'm going to be adding that to my DC Rebirth collection until Mcfarlane makes a DC Rebirth figure. Anyways guys, that is it for today's video. If you guys like this video, please leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you guys soon. Thank you guys for watching. Goodbye. Hey guys, we got this package from Amazon. We have Martian Manhunter looking so cool in that package. I do have one more figure of Martian Manhunter coming. Looking forward to that. Looks very cool. Let's go.